back to my channel. It's Princess, and as you can see, I've already done my parting because I am poor in parting, but as obvious, practice makes perfect. I know I'll get there. I am going to show you a hairstyle. Not show you actually, I'm actually plaiting my hair for the first time with my old head. Like I'm only used to plaiting only at the front or just some kind of style, but today I decided to try it on my old head, and I just wanted to record it so that you can see my journey and the struggle for all beginners. Okay, if you do not know how to cornrow, actually it is a cornrow. If you do not know how to cornrow, there are 1,000,001 videos on YouTube for you to learn. Just google, make YouTube your best friend. My hair is super duper stretched. I think it was it had braids before I took them off, so my hair has not that much struggle, but the struggle will come later because this side that I'm plaiting right now, it was fully stretched, but the other side I sprayed excess water and it was freezing. The struggle was real. You'll see that, guys. So see, tired muscles are doing some work here. Kindly subscribe, eh? Just give me a thumbs up. Come on, be good, be nice. Jesus babies. Oh no, all the babies getting tired. Princess, we're sorry, okay? This hairstyle lasted me for 1 week. Yeah, 1 week, depending on how you take care of it. Yeah, it spoils very fast, as in the hair picks out very fast. So it's not a lasting hairstyle. It's just to hold your hair when you're still deciding on what to do with your hair, when you have no hairstyle to do. If you're new to this channel, by the way, you are welcome. At this point, actually, it just looks like a hairstyle on its own. I love that little puff on my side. I wish I could stay like that the whole day. But work had to be done. There, I only came back after doing the parting because it was my struggle. I actually used 2 mirrors. I put one on my back, another one on the front after I do my parting so I can see my behind. Because I am alone, I have no one to help me do the parting, so the struggle is real. Comment down below how you managed to do your parting alone. The hairs somehow were intertwining. See the struggle? But it requires patience, you guys. I'm on the other side, plaiting again. I mean, this is, what do we say? Yeah, self-explanatory. You only use your eyes, oh. Look at my muscles. Hey, struggle. I love the way they are turning out. So beautiful, so tight, so intact, so close, so magnificent. Comment down below how you first learned how to cornrow. That is, if you know. With me, I learned grass. On the grass, we used to cornrow when we were young. We compete. That is how I learned. Comment below how you personally learned. The middle part is the last part, and this is the area that I had a struggle. I started with one hand like that, but then the hair was too much. I had to use both hands, and I managed. I'm looking at my mirror actually. Now that was the part that was over-freezed through my spraying. Overdoing things is not good. See the struggle, oh my goodness. But I managed. The parting isn't that perfect, but I didn't think it will come out this nice. I'm proud of myself. Well done, well done. Try again another day. A very good girl. Can't see that? Pop, pop. Hey. Ooh. I was so happy. I was so happy. Counting my little blessings. Count them. I added those extensions. Pretty! See you in my next video. Bye-bye. Subscribe if you haven't. So guys, thanks for watching this video. We've gotten to the end of this video and I'm proud of myself. I ended up adding these extensions and the beads. You know, beads are my favorite. I added different beads. And you know, I'm proud of myself. It's the first time for me to plait myself, you know, and me to show you how I did on my wall head. It's been a struggle, you get tired on, but don't worry, it takes only 2 hours. I'm here to give an outro for this video. I know while I was giving the outro in my house, phone jar. So if you know, if you can give an donation for a memory card, your girl is here for you. Anyway, this is how my hair looks like. You know, I was saying, I'm so proud of myself because I've never done this on my whole head. Like there was a time I was like, I've admired this hairstyle, But for those that had feeding braids, I've admired this hairstyle since 2016, but now it's like God was saying, you know, you'll have to do it, you can do it, and you know, God trusts your girl. So kindly go ahead and like this video if you liked it, and kindly subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and hit that bell for notifications so you won't miss any notification from your girl. And I'll see you on my next video. Okay, bye.